The digital asset XRP has increased in value by more than 16% in the last 14 days, bucking the trend of other crypto coins losing value last week. On December 19, according to Whale Alert data, someone traded 449.3 million XRP. Why he did it is still unknown because XRP holders are expecting an airdrop from a project named Sologenic by January 2022. What is Sologenic, and how will it affect the price of XRP? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. But first, we are giving away 50 XRP coins at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome back XRP Army. Despite the 2 weeks increase, XRP is currently moving in tandem with Bitcoin. The price has fluctuated erratically, ranging from 80 cents to $1. Until we get huge news on the Ripple versus the SEC case in January, it might not depart too much from what Bitcoin is doing, at least not significantly. But even with Bitcoin's price action, some XRP channels and technical analysis are pointing to a little more bullish outlook, believing that XRP will make some swings of its own by the end of December. We've arrived. Now let's wait and see. David Schwartz recently tweeted something and we are going to discuss it. People who are collecting airdrops and wondering what's going on with the price action and what to do might get you into trouble, because you may end up making the wrong move. XRP Ledger has been given the ability to freeze tokens released by token issuers, according to David Schwartz, allowing token issuers to maintain control over their tokens once they've been issued. When the XRP ledger contains your tokens, you can then use them but under some condition. So, with Sologenic, Vagabond, and other airdrops, many people wondered, are those token issuers? Do they still have the ability to freeze your tokens? No, but David Schwartz felt the need to explain that not all of these tokens are what they seem, so make sure you look into it. Solo or XRP users can expect to receive Sologenic tokens on January 20th to be specific, according to the Sologenic team. There are a few folks on Twitter who have already declared they plan to flip the coin as soon as they get it. They don't seem to care about the project in the least, and that's all great. Quite a few others do, and they're curious about what's in store for 2022. The Solar Genic company recently released a new product on Christmas Day. Their open-source NFT platform will be launched in January of 2022, as they just revealed. Purchasing and exchanging items will no longer be subject to gas fees, but you will be required to pay 3 Solo tokens to do so. More deflationary pressure on the Solo token means more scarcity for the token, which is exactly what we want. According to Bob Ross, they expect to mint around 100,000 tokens a month on this platform, which will cost or burn around 300,000 Solo tokens from the ecosystem each month. Over the course of 1 year, that's going to be quite a high rate of consumption. For most of 2022, if Bitcoin doesn't go on a parabolic run in the first few months of 2022, we're even. Sologenic announced that XRP holders would get over $100 million Solo tokens in an airdrop valued at more than $500 million. Sologenic's goal is to become the world's most impactful blockchain-based project by bridging the gap between traditional financial markets and cryptocurrencies. The Sologenic team is building the Sologenic ecosystem on the open-source public XRP ledger, XRPL, which was founded in 2012 by David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito, and whose native currency is $XRP, because it has the features they require, such as high speed, high security, and transparency. Sologenic uses Solo coins to make trades and provide liquidity. The XRP ledger issues Solo coins, allowing liquidity to be traded practically immediately. Individual and institutional crypto investors will be able to trade non-blockchain asset classes like stocks, ETFs, and commodities with one cryptocurrency, Solo, as part of the ecosystem. Simply put, the coins will let consumers all over the world use Solo to purchase and sell stock in their favorite companies without having to use traditional brokerages. Solo will be available for trading on Sologenic's DEX, as well as other major worldwide exchanges. Now, what is Sologenic DEX? The Sologenic DEX is a cutting-edge decentralized trading platform that lets users trade, peer-to-peer, a variety of crypto and forthcoming tokenized assets like stocks and ETFs while maintaining control over their private keys, ensuring maximum security and trust. The DEX gives users access to all of the advantages of a good centralized exchange while allowing them to properly manage and keep custody of their own assets. Solo Wallet, Ledger devices, Tencent, XUMM, and other wallet integrations are supported by the Sologenic DEX. Fees as little as $0.000005, for example, are one of the perks. It has widgets in the trading terminal that are dynamic and totally customizable, professional charting tools with live order books, lower entry barriers for a private, safe, and secure trading experience independent of any centralized institution. A transaction's finality on the Sologenic DEX is estimated to be 3 seconds. It also supports a variety of languages, including English, Spanish, and many more. There are 400 million Solo accessible in total. Sologenic released a press release detailing the details of a $Solo airdrop to $Solo and $XRP token holders. Sologenic has a very high possibility of achieving something similar to Solana in terms of its price fluctuations, market cap, and other things. So, if you're an XRP hodler and you're getting any of these Solo tokens, you might want to hang on to them. It's completely fine if you don't. The choice is yours. However, there are just too many parallels to what Solana actually did. One of the reasons for Solana's growth was the theory that gas prices are spiraling out of control and aren't getting any better. As a result, this is even better news for open-source platforms. Moreover, if the marketplaces impose tariffs on goods and services, there's no reason why Sologenic couldn't follow the same price patterns that Solana did in 2021 and hit triple digits up to $250 in 2022 unless the Bitcoin market is in a bear market and Bitcoin is retracing all the way back to the who knows where $30,000 $20,000 level. The core tokens of the next airdrop will be given to those who hold the Solo tokens and the XRP tokens in 2022. If you have both, your 2022 might just be fantastic. XRP controls 1.76% of the $2.3 trillion crypto economy. While the 54% year-to-date gains are impressive, XRP's 12-month gains are significantly lower than the majority of the top 10 crypto assets. Furthermore, XRP is still down 74% from its all-time high on January 7, 2018, which was almost 4 years ago. Tether, USDT, is the most popular XRP pair, accounting for 62.97% of all trades on December 20, 2021. Binance, Bitquant, HitBTC, Crypto.com, Huobi Pro, and Huobi Japan are among the most active XRP exchanges now. XRP has also witnessed a lot of whale activity in the last several days. Whale Alert, for example, detected the transfer of 17,700,000 XRP worth $15 million from Bitso to an unknown wallet. The bot also detected a transfer of $20 million from Bithumb to an unknown wallet. Aside from whale movements, others believe that XRP demand is driven by users looking to participate in the $500 million airdrop. Now, will the airdrop happen or is it just another form of crypto excitement? After the Sologenic Development Foundation announced its decision to develop a new completely decentralized NFT marketplace on the XRP ledger in order to benefit users with extremely low transaction costs to mint, bid, and trade NFTs on the existing Sologenic DEX, they had to involve the community in the ecosystem and planned governance utilities, hence millions of Solo will be unlocked as part of an airdrop to XRP and Solo holders around the world. Solo is currently selling about $1.54, which will make this airdrop one of the largest that has ever been distributed in the crypto sector. The tokens would be derived from the tokens that are now locked in the Solo Community Fund, SCF, and Solo Expansion Fund, SEF, which were created to build and extend the Solo community when the ecosystem was opened in early 2020, according to the announcement. Users can claim the airdrop by holding their assets on the centralized exchanges that are supporting it or creating a trust line directly from their own private wallets. The Solo airdrop will take place at 2000 Coordinated Universal Time on January 20, 2022, according to information provided in a piece published on December 14 by a renowned Croatian crypto investor and XRP instructor. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Did you like the video? What are your thoughts on Sologenic airdrop? And do you think 2022 will be a great year for Solo and XRP hodlers? Comment below, let's engage. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.